Welcome once again. What we have done, we have installed the softwares on our master machines. Some softwares we've installed Docker, and we've installed the Kubernetes softwares like kubelet, kubectl, and kubeadmin, the most important software. So we've done this, right? So here we're done till here in the previous video. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and initialize the KubeADM, right? First, let's go ahead and check if we are all good with KubeADM. Yeah, yes, it is nicely installed here. Okay, so we have to initialize the cluster using KubeADM. But before we do that, we need to find out the IP of the master admin machine, and we'll put that as a variable. So how do you do that? If config is the command, you will see that there is something called as ENSP-OS8. This adapter has the IP, right? So set that as an IP, and how would you do that? The simple export command, right? So put this over here, remove the comment here, and just put your this IP as a variable, right? So there you go. Just to cross check, do an echo. You know how to do it? No, not export. Echo dollar private IP, and you should be able to get the IP. Very good. So we are now in the in the state to initialize our cluster, right? So this is how you initialize the cluster, right? Um, Go ahead and write the command. You will see that the cluster will start initializing, and while it is doing that, it will take about a minute or so. You will see that it is utilizing this particular private IP for the master, and we have given this IP range, right? 192.168 and so on and so forth. It is going to the Docker via Docker Hub via the KubeAdmin and getting all the all the softwares. And when it is done, it is going to show you certain commands which we will run. Right. So we are here. It is probably going to show you this command and also a join command which we'll copy here nicely. With the hash and everything. Even if you miss this command, there is a command to get this join command back. This join command is for the command for your worker nodes to join to the master, right? Which we'll see in a video later on, right? Excellent. Things are progressing very well. Okay. Your kubelet is going to the control plane, which is fine, which is great. All right. Let it do that. It is going to take some time, as it said. Yeah. Wow. Very well. So you're done. Just pick up these properties from here and run it on your master machine. Right. Copy this from here. Although remember, you can get it again and put it over here so that you have the latest join command with you. Right. Right. And just go ahead and say kubectl get pods minus a, right? See whether you're getting a pods or not. Yeah, you're getting the pods. All of them have initialized, but only core DNS 2 pods are not running. Yeah, they're pending state. The reason for that is it needs a network add-on provider. It needs a way for the machines to communicate with each other, right? And for you to do that, you just need to run a network add-on provider. So this is the network add-on provider which I got from the KubeNet website. It's called as Calico. There are a couple of other of them. I suggest you go to the website and explore them on your own and go ahead and run it. Once you run it, right? In fact, let me just open another tab, maybe vertically, connect to this machine. And yeah, master machine, very good. For watch, we can do a watch of this, right? over here. Nicely, we can do that. So see, these are all the machines which are running, right? And no, I think I'm in the wrong machine right now. Yeah, I am in the wrong machine right now. So exit from here. Yeah, what we need to do is recordings, uh, Kubernetes, Vagrant, yeah, and then say Vagrant SSH master 1. Yeah, it's going to take some time, and we'll copy this from here, and we'll say watch this. Yeah, that's fine. I think what you need to do is you need to go to sudo su, and then say kubectl and this command. Yeah, watch kubectl this command, right? So you see that your pods are the core DNS pods are pending right now, which is okay. We'll run our network add-on provider, and you will see that that is going to make that is going to do a couple of things. Okay, so just observe on the left hand side, you will see that the Calico pods have come in. They are right now in pending state. They'll start running in some time, right? And after some time, you will see that the core DNS will also start working, right? So these 4 pods should start working, which is a indication for you that your cluster is nicely initialized, up and running, and you can go ahead and do things with it, right? So we'll come back here. We'll wait for the initialization to happen very well. Uh, Core DNSC, just saying the container is getting created. At least one of them. Very good. The second one also is getting created. Um, it'll take about a minute or so, not more than that, for it to start working. Yeah, we'll wait for them to work, and then only then we will move on to the next video. All right, very good. Calico is working, your core DNS is working. There's one Calico pod which I'm just waiting for it to work and start running, come in the ready state. This one, yes, we are done. All right, so this is what you have done here. We'll come back and create a node, worker node, and then do things on worker node. We'll join the worker node back into the cluster, and then we'll do our deployment. All right, so see you next time. Thank you.